part 1 of waiting for the fireworks to come again. It was just some a couple minutes ago, and it was wait, Riley, please. Part 1 of waiting for the fireworks to see if they'll start again. They were like, if you could see my fingers, it's like right up there. And they just went off a couple minutes ago. They were so freaking pretty.
It's done now.
It's okay. We're still waiting.
And it happened again, that means it's not done. And don't happen, not happen.
They were yelling to see if they would blow more, and they said they would. But then we yelled a second time, and they didn't do anymore. I think they might be all out. Correct. Say I think, not me think.
I think we're going to now listen. Okay. Do you know how to okay, we're going to do couple your army. We're going to round.
Volume warning.
Okay.
I want to yell louder. Anyways, I don't think there's any more. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you did, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!